After logging into your institute, you can just conduct class online by clicking here. I'm just syncing now classroom data. Here I will select on FE ENTC. The subject is BEL, that is Basic Electronics Laboratory. For the first topic, I will start with the broadcast. Here the classroom pin is 696033. Hello everyone, today we will discuss about the logic gates. So what are the logic gates? The logic gates are the building blocks used to create digital circuits are called as logic gates. They are called as gates because they control the flow of signal. Their output is either 0 or 1. Their output is the result of the inputs. That means whatever input we give to the logic gates, either it may be 0 or 1. The output will be changed according to the function of a gate. They are called as logic gates. You must have thinking why these circuits are called as logic gates, because these kind of circuits are used in the logical circuits. That's why these gates are called as logic circuits. The function of each gate can be prepared by the function of each gate can be represented by a truth table or using a Boolean notation. What is truth table and what is Boolean notation, how it is looked, we will see in the next slides. Now the question will appear on the screen, that is the function of each logic gate represented by dash. This question is of fill in the blanks. You need to select an option. The options will be displayed on the students application. Here at the bottom you can see 3 out of 5 students left to the answer. Now 2 out of 5 students left to the answer. Now only 1 student out of 5 students left to the answer. That means what? 1 student has not given an answer. Here you can see the status of active and inactive students. 4 students are active and 1 student is inactive. Now we will see the statistics. The 4 students have given the correct answer. 0 student has given incorrect answer, and the same for the don't. That means the confidence is very high for this kind of questions for the class for the students of your class. Now we will move to the next question, that is true or false. Logic gates are the building blocks for all circuits in a computer. Since here you can see 1 student is inactive, that's why always maybe the 1 out of 5 students will be the left for the answer. So 4 students already has given the answer. We will wait for a while for the answer. Here the classroom pin is also mentioned, so that if anyone wants to join later, we can tell them the classroom pin after starting a classroom as well. Now we will see the statistics. How many students has given the correct answer? 5 students has given the correct answer. Next, we will move for the next slide. Now we will move for the types of gates. From last slides we got to know why these gates called as logic gates. Now we will move for the types of gates. Here in the flow chart you can see types of logic gates. There are 3 types: basic logic gates, universal logic gates, and other kind of logic gates. In the basic logic gates, not NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. In universal logic gates, there are two universal logic gates, that is NAND and NOR, and other logic gates XOR and XNOR. This flowchart will help you to remember all kind of gates and to understand the function of each and every gate. So now we will move for the basic logic gates. First one is NOT gate. A NOT gate accepts one input value and produces one output value. That means in NOT gate there will be only one input and only one output. From the name you can analyze input as 0, the output will be the 1. Vice versa, if the input is 1, output will be the 0. That's why a NOT gate sometimes referred as an inverter, because it always inverts the input value. 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Here the diagram you can see of a logical diagram of a NOT gate. Here you can see the A is the input, X is the output, and here you can see small bubble. This is called as the inverter of the signal. That means it will invert the signal, input signal. The expression will be X is equal to A dash. A dash means what? You can see this kind of symbol in the next some Boolean expressions as well. You need to remember it. A dash means what? The input will be inverted. From the truth table, you can see if the input is 0, the output will be the 1. If the input, that is A, is 1, the output will be the 0. Now we will move for the OR gate. If the here, what is the difference between NOT gate and OR gate? Input signals are 2 in the OR gate, whereas in the NOT gate the input signals are only 1. But the output for the NOT gate and OR gate is only 1 signal. That means if the two input values, that is both are 0, the output will be the 0. Otherwise, A or B, if any one of them is 1, then output will be the 1. Don't worry, don't confuse. From the truth table we can see, for example, in the first row we can see the both are the zeros. That is A and B are the 0. The output will be the 0. From if any of the any of the signal, that is A or B, if it is 1 or it is high signal, the output will be the high. The Boolean expression is what? X is equal to A plus B. You need to remember these kind of Boolean expressions, logical diagram and truth table, so that you can use this for the complex combinational circuits. The next question is the gate which is used to reverse the output obtained is. Here you can see 3 out of the 6 students are left with the answer. 5 students are active and 1 student is inactive. Now only 1 student is inactive and 1 student is remaining for the answer. So now we can move for the statistics. From the statistics you can see 4 students has given the right answer and 1 student has given the wrong answer. Correct answer is A. Now we will move for the next topic, is universal logic gates. NAND gate and NOR gate. The NAND gate and NOR gates are essentially the opposite of the AND and OR gate. We have learned AND gate and OR gate. They are exactly opposite to the AND gate and OR gate. The NAND gate and NOR gate are also called as universal gates. From here, in this diagram, you can see the Boolean expression and truth table and logical diagram for NAND gate and NOR gate. X is equal to A dot B dash is the Boolean expression for NAND gate. Logical diagram is small bubble in front of AND gate, and the truth table is exactly opposite to the AND gate. Same way for the NOR gate, Boolean expression is a plus b dash, and logical diagram is exactly like a OR gate, but there is a small bubble in front of OR gate, and the truth table output is exactly opposite to the OR gate. That's why it is called as NOR gate. Now the next question is, which are the following are called as universal gates? Students will see the options in their mobile, and after submitting the answer, each and every answer, the application will ask what is the confidence level of the students. Now here you can see 5 students have given the answer. You will see the statistics. 4 students have given the correct answer. Only 1 student is incorrect. Now we will move for the next. Other logic gates. XOR gate and XNOR gate. XOR, or it also called as exclusive OR gate. An XOR gate produces 0, that is output signal is 0, if its two inputs are the same, or a 1 otherwise. That means what? You to understand this, let's focus on the truth table. If the both output are the same, means what? 0 if the both signals are low, or if the both signals are high. That means what? 0 0 or 1 1, then the output will be the 0. If the one input is low, if one input is different from another input, then the output will be the high, that is 1. The Boolean expression is equal to x is equal to a plus b. The only plus sign will be written in the circle, and the logical diagram here you can see it is as same as OR gate. The only one line added before the output. Now next is XNOR gate. The exclusive NOR gate or XNOR gate is logically equivalent to an XNOR gate followed by an inverter. That means what? The only the logical diagram will be the same. The only thing is the small bubble, or we can call as a inverter, is added in front of exclusive OR gate, XOR gate. Here you can see equivalent gate circuit is what? In the place of a small bubble, they have added the NOT gate. As I have mentioned, NOT gate is also called as inverter gate, because it inverts the input value. Now we will move for the combinational circuit. As I have mentioned in the first slide, why logic gates are important? Because these gates are used to make or prepare a logical circuits. With the help of number of logical circuits, that is AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, we can create lots of combinational logical circuits. So this is an example how we can create the combinational logical circuits. We will learn about the combinational circuits in the next lecture. Now we will move for the next question. I have added this question to understand the sequencing question, which we can use in this kind of presentations. This is just an example. What are the steps to convert AC current to the DC current? The steps are given in the student's mobile, so that they can make it sequentially. Here you can see 3 out of 6 students left to the answer. Now 2 students are left to the answer. Now we are ready to see the statistics. Only 1 student has given the correct answer and 4 students are wrong. 0 students are reported that they don't know the answer. Thank you. The presentation is done. If some of the students has raised the question using this symbol, you can ask them what kind of doubts they have. We can chat with the help of this chat box and while the presentation is going on. Now we will see the reports. Here you can see the average performance of the class is 72%. I have given the 5 questions and these are the 5 toppers. Here you can see how many students have given the right answer for everything. We will discuss about the reports in detail in the next topic. Here you can see the student-wise data. Farzan has answered the 5 questions, from which 3 are correct, 2 are incorrect. Same for the Praful. Rima has given the all answers correct. Sally has given the 4 answer correct. 1 is wrong. From here you can sort, that is most correct responses, then least correct responses. You can use it. If the number of students are very high, then you can use this ascending and descending.